Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve glitch on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to Facebook and you can click. Here in this page, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.